What's up, everybody? I know it's been a while, but you know, with the holidays and the hurricane and the new year and everything, it's been slow going around here as far as car stuff goes. But something cool has happened. I have got myself a 2004 GMC Envoy, and don't worry, still got the Beetle. This is the XUV, so it's got the full leather, it's got the roll down midgate, the waterproof back, the dual opening fold down door, and most importantly, it's got the sliding roof that slides all the way forward and turns it into a pickup truck. But you can turn that back into a hot tub or whatever you want, because it's totally waterproof, and then it's got a drain. So there's going to be some improvements coming. I figured since you know, that's the lowrider, and it's not really great for around here, if I'm being honest, because most of the terrain looks like that. I got myself something a little bigger and pretty basic. It's a 4L60E 4.2 VTEC 4200 inline 6. It's only got 110,000 miles on it, even though it's a 2004. It was formerly my mom's truck. She traded in her original Envoy and ended up getting this, and she now has Mayonnaise, the turbo Chevy Cruze. So I picked this up from her for basically nothing, and it's able to tow that thing if I need it to, and I can put all my car show equipment in it, tents and things like that. And I'd also like to welcome you guys to meet Emmett. This is Emmett. Hey, that's Emmett. This is my new boy. I just adopted him from Crestview Panhandle Animal Lovers Rescue, and they think he's 2 or 3. We're not really sure, but he's pretty awesome. But there's going to be a lot of things coming to this. I'm going to make it kind of an off-road rig, but it's also going to be my daily. I'm going to throw some light bars on it, and maybe some bigger tires. It's got brand new tires on it now, so maybe some bigger tires. Definitely a new radio, because that thing is old. It's not Bluetooth compatible. Definitely new speakers, because the rear ones don't work. Only the front left one does, I think, so that's not really doing it for me. I was thinking maybe some new bumpers, just something a little more rugged than these plastic ones, and maybe some step rails, a snorkel, I don't know. And it's just going to be a project. I don't really go off-roading, but where I live is pretty off-roady, and my car is not really designed for it. And occasionally I do need something to be able to put bigger things in, and the Beetle is just not that. So, welcome to the Rhino. Yeah, the Rhino, that's what I call it.